What you're about to see is, hands down, one of the nicest motorhomes I have ever stepped inside of, and by the end of this video, I'm going to show you a feature in the master bathroom that most $2 million houses don't even have. This is the 2027 Prevost Loki H3-45, a double-slide bath-and-a-half coach, and I'm about to walk you through every single inch of it. Let's get into it. Right away, this coach tells you what it is. Built-in doorbell camera, keyless entry, and the second you open this door, look at this. A full touchscreen panel that controls your exterior lighting, your awnings, and unlocks every bay door on this coach right from the entryway. Notice the details. Built-in LEDs lighting up the entrance, a shoe cubby, a grab handle so getting in and out is effortless, 2 glove compartments, even a vent to keep you cool as you step up. This is a coach that was designed by someone who actually lives in one. Built on the Prevost shell, this driver's seat is heated, ventilated, and rides on air suspension, so a 10-hour drive across the interstate feels like nothing. Electronic mirrors, leather-wrapped dash, carbon fiber accents, and this, a touchscreen that runs the entire coach. Cabinet locks, windows, even the TV lift, all from right here. And it's not just the driver who's taken care of. The passenger gets heated and ventilated seats too, plus a removable tablet. So whoever's riding shotgun has full control as well. That's a full flat screen dropping from the ceiling, paired with a Sonos soundbar and dual speakers. This isn't a motorhome living room. This is a home theater that happens to move at 65 miles an hour. Here's something most people miss when they're shopping for a coach like this. It's not just about space, it's about texture. Look around, textured walls, vinyl accents, solid surface countertops, automatic shades, LED accents everywhere. Nothing in here feels flat. Nothing feels like a factory box. It feels like a home. This couch converts into a bed. These recliners are fully electronic. And this end table? Perfect spot for your coffee in the morning while you watch the world go by through these massive windows. If you've watched my channel before, you know I always say, the kitchen is where a luxury coach either earns its price tag or doesn't. This one earns it. Solid surface countertops that run straight up the backsplash. No cheap halfway point here. A cafe convection microwave in white to match. A 2-burner induction cooktop. And watch this. The second you put this coach in drive, the cabinets automatically lock. Put it in park, and they unlock. That's the kind of engineering detail you don't see until you need it. Every cabinet, solid wood, dovetail joinery. This slide-out counter gives you extra prep space when you need it, and tucks away when you don't. And hidden underneath? A slide-out dishwasher. The fridge and freezer are floor to ceiling, panel matched so they disappear right into the cabinetry. And yes, they lock too. Floor to ceiling tile, a door that opens and closes at the push of a button for privacy, a wall-mounted faucet into a solid surface sink, even outlets built into the medicine cabinet so you can charge your toothbrush on the road. This is the kind of detail that tells you nothing here was an afterthought. Down the hall, past the stackable washer and dryer, a pocket door slides shut automatically, and you're in the primary bedroom. His and hers wardrobes, each with built-in LED lighting. One has a built-in safe, a king-size bed, a touchscreen at the bedside that controls every light in the room without you lifting your head off the pillow. USB-C ports, night lights, cable management. This room was built by someone who has actually spent a week on the road. And here it is, the feature I told you about at the top of this video. This bathroom has floor-to-ceiling tile, including the ceiling itself. Even the exhaust fan is hidden behind tile. A heated towel rack. A seat inside the shower. And this drain, it's oversized, so even if you're parked on uneven ground, the water still finds its way out. This is, without exaggeration, one of the nicest bathrooms I have ever filmed inside of a motorhome. Now let's step outside, because this is where a coach like this really proves itself. Blacked out American Racing ATX wheels on Michelin tires. storage bays with through-and-through slides rated for 1,000 pounds, a hidden TV that slides out on a magnetic latch, a compartment built specifically for e-bikes with charging outlets inside. Back here, a 190-gallon fresh water tank, and if you look closely, there's a plaque signed by every single person who built this coach. That's not something you see on a production line. That's pride of craftsmanship. Pop the engine bay, and you'll find a 500-horsepower Volvo diesel producing 1,850 pound-feet of torque, backed by dual alternators, to keep a massive battery bank charged at all times. Depending on how it's optioned, coaches like this can carry up to 2,600 watts of solar and 96 kilowatt-hours of lithium battery power, enough to run this entire coach generator off for a night without anyone even noticing. So here's the number you've been waiting for. This is the 2027 Prevost Loki H3-45 double slide bath and a half, and it's priced at $2,315,272. It's located at the Motorcoach Store in Bradenton, Florida, and I'll leave their contact information right below this video if you want to go see it, or even go sit inside it yourself. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, hit subscribe. I'm Richard Tryon. This is California Autos, and I bring you inside the most incredible coaches in the country every single week. I'll see you in the next one.